Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. It's a weekly update from 5th December to 9th December 2022. If anybody is new in this channel, I would like to mention that every week I upload a new video regarding Nasdaq 100 future, and this video will be helpful to make your investment decision. If you haven't subscribed this channel already, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel now. Okay, so last week what I have mentioned is that do not go for the selling side for the long term. That was the major thing I mentioned last week. If you want to go for the selling side, it should be only for the short term. Okay, if it failed to hold the support level, last time the support level that was 11,700. If it fails to hold the support level, go for the short term. First target that will be 11,500. So if you sold from 11,700, you would have 200 points from selling side, and if you started buying from 11,500, you might have a 500 point profit from buying side. Okay, so that was the summary of the last week. Okay, so now let's go for this week. Before analyzing and predicting for this week, let me quickly check what type of data are going to be released in this week, and based on those data I will analyze and predict for this week. On Monday, ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Tuesday, there is no major data. Wednesday, crude oil inventory. Thursday, initial jobless claim. And Friday, PPI. Only these data are going to be released in this week. So guys, we have to check the data that are going to be released in this week. There are only few major data they are going to be released in this week, and they are also expected to be moderate. Okay, if they are moderate, then the market driven, that will be based on the news and the Fed's monetary policy. The investors, they are being very hopeful. Now the market is 11,960 this level, market in this level, and there is immediate support level in 11,900. Unless it is gap up in opening, it is highly expected to go market this level 11,900. It is going to test this level, and from this level it will bounce back. So that I suggest you that check here 11,900. If it holds this level, then go in the buying side. Do not sell, because market is trying to go up. Okay, this week also what I would like to mention is that if you want to go for selling side, go only for the short term. Okay, as for example, if it doesn't hold 11,900, if you want to go for selling side, sell from that level. First target that will be 11,700. It is very unlikely to cross this level, so that when it reaches your first target, exit from the wait. If it doesn't cross this level, buy from that level. Okay, but if it goes down, then do not do anything. Do not go buying or selling side. So if it doesn't cross 11,900, if it holds this level, then I recommend everybody to buy Nasdaq 100 future from this level. And first target that will be 12,000. That is immediate target. Okay, and when it crosses this 12,000, it is very likely to see 12,200 followed by 12,400 for this week. Okay, at least we can see 12,400 this week, probably more than that if we have some different news. Otherwise, at least we can see 12,400 this week. But if it fails to hold this 11,900 level, just be careful. Don't go in buying side, sell it, first target 11,700, check here, and then if it holds, then you can start buying from that label. And if it doesn't hold this label, I don't recommend anyone to go in selling side even if it fails from 11,700 this week, because market is expected to go high, because lots of investors they are changing the position from selling side to buying side, from selling side to buying side, and market is going to be very high, but not that aggressively. So let's take quickly the summary of the video. Alright guys, only few important weekly data are going to be released in this week, and they are expected to be moderate. Current market trend is bullish, which is expected to continue in this week as well. Unless any unexpected data, market will move smoothly along with some pullbacks, and those pullbacks will be the market entry opportunity for all of you guys. Immediate support level at 11,900, and failing this level will trigger to 11,700 followed by 11,300 label. When it failed to hold this 11,900 label, then it is expected to see 11,700 followed by 11,900, but it is less possible option. This option for this week is very less, unless there is any negative news or unexpected data. Buying opportunity at 11,900, 12,000, 12,200 with the target 12,400 level for this week. And this week it is highly expected to see the market 12,400. So I would like to recommend everyone to go in buying side, but check whether it holds support level or not. If it doesn't hold the support level, do not buy, but if it strongly holds the support level, I would recommend everyone to go in buying side. It is very safe. Okay guys, I believe this video is helpful you to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. Do your own research before making investment decision. If you have any question, any comment, write down in the comment box, and subscribe the channel so that every week you'll get this type of a new video, and it will be helpful you to make investment decision. Thank you very much for watching this video.